Welcome guys, another walk today. I've driven 10 minutes or so from my house. We are in West Hallam, if any of you know the area. And then we're going to be walking towards Shipley Lake. Usually if I walk directly from my house, this is kind of where I end up, but then I turn back. But I want to carry on walking further in the same direction, if that makes any sense to you. It makes perfect sense to me. It might not make sense to you. It's 7:30 at the minute. Not too early, but the sun's out already and it's meant to be an absolutely lovely day. If I'm a bit sniffly, my hay fever tablet's not kicked in yet. Hopefully it will soon. Hopefully we have some lovely views, and I don't think we have to wish for nice weather because it's already started. So let's crack on, shall we? Bit of a bigger bag today because I can get it. Got this new chair we're going to try out. Cheeky drink for the nice weather ahead. So we're about 3.5 kilometres in now, and we've come across this, which is quite interesting. Beware aircraft, and we're actually, I don't know if you can make it out too well in the video. There's like a mowed out little landing strip, and it goes all the way to the bottom of this field. There's nothing coming now, so we're safe to cross. I'm not going to look both ways, but I'm interested to know like how often something does actually land here. The grass looks in pretty good condition. I can't imagine it's very often. I suppose if it did happen quite often, it'd be nice just to set yourself down for an hour or two, have something to eat, have a little drink, just see if anything lands, I suppose. So yeah, right, we'll carry on. I'm not sure if you can see, I've got these cows creeping behind me. Whenever I stop, they stop. I'm just making sure I carry on. I think they're quite happy now. I'm quite far away. I made sure I took quite a wide path to get round them, to be honest, because I wasn't risking that. Yeah, they seem happy now. But we are en route to a little lake that I quite like. I don't know if we can see from here. Try and zoom in for you. It's just down there. Quite private the last few times I've been. It's kind of out of the way a little bit. You have to use that way. You have to come across these fields to get to it. So, or through the woods up ahead, which you can see. So it's quite nice to have something like that to yourself. Might put a little blanket down in a bit, but I think I might do that on the way back when it's a little bit warmer. So we'll carry on for now. We've carried on a bit further now, and we've reached one of my favourite little places in this area. It's probably not too exciting to you guys, but to me, I don't know, it's just peaceful, relaxing, and this weather makes it even more beautiful. We're very close to Shipley Park now. In fact, I can see it just a little bit in the distance. Probably going to go and have a quick coffee because I've not brought a flask with me today for being a bit warmer. But it is only 10 o'clock, so I think morning coffee's in order. I thought I'd take a quick video here because I'm just quite impressed. Just walked past a sign saying about 6,000 trees have been planted around this area. So all these little, at the minute they look like little shrubby bits all behind me, all the way around. Look, schools have been doing that, like local educators and things like that. And I just think things like that are lovely. Like, imagine in 10 years time how amazing this area is going to look. It won't just be a big open field, you'll be walking through a nice wooded path, and I just think that's great. But anyway, time to go and get a coffee. Right, so we're just at the 9.5 kilometre mark. I've been through Shipley Park now, and we're just on like the surrounding fields, and we're going to have a walk around the outside of them just to make the extra distance up. Just have a look really, because I've not really been this far. A bit slushy at the bottom, but we're going to head a bit more up towards the top, and then I think we're going to find ourselves a nice spot to get the little chair out and sit and have some food and maybe a little drink. It's nice and quiet around here. I've not seen anyone just yet, so that's always nice and peaceful. So yeah, let's carry on. Well, I found myself a nice little private spot. Sat down, just had some food, having a quick drink now, and then we'll carry on. And this is where we currently are. So no one around. I'm also making full use out of the little chair I've been carrying around with me. I've done a video about the chair if you're interested. That's on my YouTube if you want to check that out. I'll put a link in the description. It's about 1 kilogram, so it's not too heavy. I bought it mainly for wild camping, but you know what, I think when I'm out on a walk like this, why not? Maybe questioning the vest as well. I don't usually wear a vest, that's not me, but I was working outside yesterday and I ended up with some absolutely awful t-shirt tan lines, so we're just trying to even them out. We'll see what happens. About 12k in now, and we're just at Mapperley Reservoir behind us there. Lovely day, plenty of people fishing as well, making the most of the glorious sunshine. If you're watching my other videos of the hikes I've been on, you'll notice I tend to go off track. Most videos that happened again, walking along the path, and then I saw a little gate at the side that says Nature Reserve. Obviously curiosity got the better of me, so here we are. It's nice because, wait. He's not seen me yet. So yeah, that's why it's quite nice coming through here. That was definitely worthwhile. Don't know why, I got a little bit nervous when he was running towards me, but I generally don't think he saw me. So we will carry on. Try and be as quiet as I can, see if we can see anything else. I'll let you know if we do. I do apologise though, because my camera skills aren't the best, as you probably just witnessed. So we might, even if we do see something, I might not get it on video or picture. I started filming that. I was meant to say I think this path should loop round to where we're going. Just added a little bit of extra distance on, but that don't bother me. It's nice to see, I'm not sure if that was a rabbit or a hare, so forgive me. But it was nice to see it hopping around, whatever it was. I've detoured again. I thought I'd gone the wrong way, to be honest, as in I thought it was on private land, because this is where we currently are. But on the map it is a footpath. Hello, got a little friend here. As you can see, there's a stile behind us, so that's where we're going to go. Right, we're at the 17-kilometre mark now. Bearing in mind this should have been a 10-kilometre hike. We've clearly got a bit carried away as usual because I'm not even back yet. I've just stopped for a quick drink. I think we'll get the rest done now. So the last part of the hike, walk now, is through West Hallam itself. So not too many more fields. This is the last one again. Nice and peaceful, nice and quiet. I've not seen many people on this walk altogether, to be honest, apart from when I went through Shipley Park itself. Obviously it was busy there. I'm surprised how busy it was, to be honest, because it was about 10 o'clock, so it's quite early, but I think the weather brings everyone out. Just hit the 19-kilometre mark now, and we're about back, just following this path along, which will bring us out to the road where we've parked the car. So that'll be it for the video. It's nice because I've only done this walk once, so I've changed it up a little bit. But coming back, last time I did this it was dark, and you can't believe how much difference night and day actually makes. Can appreciate them both, to be honest. I enjoyed it last time and I've enjoyed it today. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Any questions, anything you want to add, pop it in the comments. Also, sometime soon I'm hoping to make a video. It's a bit of a beginner's guide to wild camping. Anything you want me to show you in that, pop it in the comments. I'm not going to actually do a wild camp itself. What I'm going to do is kind of give you an idea of how to get into the idea of wild camping if you're nervous or you don't want that first solo wild camp. Obviously it's quite a big thing to be out there on your own for the first time, so just a few little tips on how I thought I'd go about it first time round. So like I say, anything you want me to try and add or cover in that video, just pop it in the comments, guys, and I'll do my best to include that and help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.